Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonia. So today's video I'm going to be doing this blue smoky eyes, and this is perfect for any outing if you want to look a little extra. So if you want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to be using Revlon's Insta-Fix Photo Ready foundation stick, and I'm just going to line it all over my face and then going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Now it's time for the brows, and for this I'm using Popfeel's brow pencil in the shade 4 and 5, and I'm just gonna do feather strokes with 4 in the front of my brows, and then gonna go in with the darker shade for the end of the brows. For priming my eyes, I'm going to be using Kiss Beauty's highlight and contour kit, and taking this shade, and I'm just going to apply it all over the lid so that it acts as a base for my eyeshadow. Now going in with my NYX Perfect Filter palette, I'm taking this orange shade as my transition shade, and I'm going to apply it right onto the crease and just gonna lightly buff it in with my eyeshadow brush. Now with Maybelline's Nudes palette, I'm taking this taupe shade and I'm gonna apply it on the inner and outer corner of my eyes, making sure that I do not apply anything in the middle. Now I'm going in with a darker brown shade, and I'm gonna apply it right on top of the taupe shade to intensify it, and also making sure that I do not apply anything in the middle of the lid. After applying the darker browns, I'm gonna take this blue color from WOW and I'm gonna tap it right in the middle of the lid, and this is why we have kept the space open so that we can work with the blue. And I'm gonna make sure that I do not intensify the look with the blue, but just to add a pop of color, I'm gonna put this blue and tap it right on top. Then I'm gonna take a Kajal and line my waterline, and make sure that you do not line your lower waterline, only stick to your upper waterline. Now to create that cat eye look, I'm gonna be creating a wing ever so lightly and not really intensifying anything, just to give eyes an elongated look. Then I'm gonna go back in with the brown shade again and apply it on my lower lash line to balance out the color. Now to add that drama to your eyes, I'm using Pro Arte's false lashes, and I'm using Lakme's iconic mascara. Now for the blush, I'm going in with Nickak's Duo Blush, and this is my recent purchase from Nickak, and I'm so happy with the blush. It just adds the right amount of color to your face and it just blends perfectly. I'm gonna be skipping contouring for this look completely because I want this look to be very natural and glowy. So to add that glow, I'm gonna be using Revlon's Bronze Glow, and with this highlighter I'm gonna pop it on all the high points of my face, my cheeks, bridge of the nose and Cupid's bow. As this look is very glowy and colorful, for lipstick I'm going to be going in with L'Oreal Color Riche Matte Collection in the shade Mahogany Stud, and to top it off I'm using Lotus Eco Stay Lip Gloss, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of the lips, not going to apply it all over the lips, just the middle part.
So guys, I hope you liked the look, and I'm so sorry that I was not able to upload any videos for past few weeks because I've been a little busy, plus my laptop was broke, so there were a lot of things that was going wrong. But I'm going to be uploading videos in the coming future, and yes, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. See you until next time. Bye bye.